so I fucked up. Let me explain. So if you haven't been watching the app build series, I've been building this app that's designed to help job seekers like you and I land our dream job much quicker. And in the last video, we were pretty much ready to launch. So after finishing up the recording, I decided to turn everything on, and guess what? We found a bug. A few beta testers caught this pretty early on, so I'm very grateful for that. But a couple random strangers managed to get in and create accounts and use the platform. So there's that. Essentially, I forgot to actually implement the logic for the role-based access control. So the tiers didn't really matter. Anyone with the free tier could use the app as much as they wanted. So I was actually just incurring costs, but that's okay because I'm gonna implement a fix today. The only issue is that we're moving in 3 days and I haven't really got any furniture just yet. So the wife and I are going to IKEA to get that sorted out. And I figured what better place to build my app than IKEA. I could shop for furniture while coding this thing out, so it's technically a win-win. Anyway, it's about an hour-long drive and they're gonna open very soon, so I better get going, but I will fill you guys in on the game plan in a bit. Alright, so I've been thinking about an approach for a while now, and I think I've got a decent idea. So for context, I'm using Supabase as my auth and also my database, so it's Postgres, and I'm using Stripe to process payments. So I currently have a trigger function on sign up to store some user data, and I think I could add a couple more lines to put in some tokens and assume everyone who signs up is going to be on the free plan when they start, and then if they do upgrade, I can listen to Stripe events and actually increase the tokens. I don't think this should be too hard. In fact, I think it should be pretty easy to implement. So I'm going to give it a try today at IKEA. One thing for sure though is that I need to do more tests because I can't be losing money for stupid things like this. Oh yeah, the only other thing is that I need to decide if I'm going to roll over credits or tokens. For example, if a user signs up with the free tier and then they upgrade to the casual, do they get 30 tokens or 30 plus 3? Because free is 3 and then the casual tier is 30. And also for the next month, let's say they don't use all their tokens, do I roll over the tokens that they didn't use? So let's say they use only 13 and have 17 left. Then next month they have 30. So does it become 30 or 47? I'm leaning towards rolling it over just because I think that's more fair, but I'm curious to know what you guys think. So leave some comments down below so I can kind of make a better decision based on what you guys think. All right, yeah, I think I'm going to start coding this real quick and then after that, go do some furniture shopping. So yeah, I'll catch you guys back in a bit. All right, so I think I got everything I needed to get done at IKEA. I also did some tests just to make sure everything is smooth, but there's always going to be a chance that bugs happen. So we'll just hope and pray, and I'll have some beta testers do more rigid tests just so I can get that confirmation out. Overall, we didn't lose too much money. I think we lost about $5 to $10, which isn't something crazy, but it could have gone pretty badly if I didn't have the beta testers or if I didn't catch it sooner, I guess. So yeah, I'm grateful for that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna roll this out slowly just so I can prevent stuff like this happening in the future, and also have a couple other features that I want to implement, such as showing you guys how your resume is actually being parsed. I think that's super helpful, and I think a lot of people don't understand how the computer or how the ATS sees your resume. So that's something I learned a couple months after applying for jobs, and I think that's something I want to share and implement in my app, but I think that's going to be a different or a future iteration. So hopefully that comes out soon. I'll let you guys know. Also, for those of you who want to see the live demo of the app, go ahead and check out the previous video towards the end. That's where I talk about the app, showcase the functionality, and I strongly encourage you guys to join the Discord to give me feedback, or you guys can see more updates on the app. We'll also post other projects and discuss certain topics, even share referrals. So yeah, feel free to join the Discord. It's going to be the first or the second link in the description below. Personally, if I was looking for a job right now, I think I would love a tool like this just because I want to save myself a couple dozen rejections and have a better chance of, getting through that phone screen, getting that first interview and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully you guys will get to experience this real soon. Again, beta testers, if you guys want to try it out, join the waitlist. It's going to be in the first or second link down below. Yeah, I think that's about it for this video. And if you guys have any questions, do leave them down below. I try my best to respond to every single comment. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, and a subscribe would help the channel out a lot. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.